Hey folks, so before Christmas, YRU did this massive crazy sale where they had everything in their store for 50% off. I've been doing a little bit better money-wise and I had saved up some dollar. This is before I bought my CatsuCon tickets, mine, so keep that in mind. And I may have bought 3 pairs of shoes that I've wanted for so long. And these are like my dream shoes. Like, you don't understand how happy I am. Actually, one of them is not the pair that I originally bought. They took 3 weeks to process my order, and by that time they processed it, the shoe that I had actually ordered 3 weeks ago, they only just told me then that it was sold out. So I don't really know what to do about that. So what they did is that they sent me a different pair that look the same, they don't have straps on them, and I'll show you what I mean in a minute. And they've given me a discount for when the other ones I originally ordered come back in stock, and they should have given me a refund, partial refund for the ones I ordered, because the ones that they sent me were cheaper, so I actually have to check that. But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna show you the shoes. I don't even know which ones to start with. I feel like I have to show them in order of superiority, but they're all so heckin' banging that I'm just gonna pick them up and show them to you. So the first pair are these amazing, beautiful baby shoes. I love them so much. I've worn them once, I think. I haven't really gotten around to wearing them yet. Shut up, Seagull. At the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you a lookbook of me wearing all these shoes as well. So yeah, keep watching. So they're just like pastel all over, with like different colours, and then these little hearts here. How cute are these? I feel like I saw they came in a few different like varieties of pastels, like the pastels were in different places. But when I looked on the website, this was the only one they had. So I don't know, but I'm not complaining because these are absolutely beautiful, and I really wanted some more lilac-y, like mainly lilac-y shoes. So absolutely gorgeous. Size wise, these are a bit weird. So I'm a size 5 UK, which is a US 7. And I ordered a 7, and when I look inside, it says these are a US 8, but a Euro 38 to 39. A Euro 38 to 39 is a UK 5 to 6 / American 7 to 8. So I feel like these are actually just more like a general size. I'd say these are more like a 7.5 US, like they're a middle size, because they are quite large on me, but it means I can just wear fluffier socks. And when it comes to high tops, I don't mind if they're a little big anyway, because I can still like tighten myself in, so I'm not like flapping out them or anything. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful quality. All the shoes I ordered are vegan. There's no leather in them at all, which obviously is quite important to me. I don't have any shoes that have leather in, so do you understand how much I love your shoes? You don't understand. Anyway, let's go on to the next pair of shoes. These ones are the ones I kind of had an issue with ordering. So, the ones that I was sent were these ones, and the ones I ordered were basically these with a little bit of variation in the colour, and they had like straps that came down all around like that. And I'll show you on the next shoe, because the next shoe actually has the same straps on. So yeah, I'm a bit sad because I wanted them with the straps on. I mean, these are still heckin' amazing and beautiful and gorgeous, and it means that I can wear a little bit more colours on my outfits when I wear these as well, just because it's got the brighter colours. It kind of pulls it together more, and they're not super high, and they're really easy to walk in. And yeah, so these ones are the US 7, the UK 38. However, they're a little bit small. I don't mind that though, because with platforms, I like to be able to fit in them like tightly, because I don't want to slip out of them, flash fall over and lose my balance. Done that with my other YRUs. Actually, I might as well just show you those because, you know, they're YRU anyway, but yeah. So yeah, these are really good to balance with. So these ones aren't a part of my haul, but they're just like, oh my god, they're absolutely wrecked. These ones, if you can just see that they're like double the height of these. Wow, now that I compare them, they're literally like double the height. And they're really thin, like, look how fucking dope that is. Anyway, you can see that's really thin there. It kind of goes like that down the whole way, whereas this one, it's kind of like a bit more chunkier on the, so there's less chance of me actually falling over and breaking my neck. The first time I actually wore these was in New York, and I was getting cocky and I jumped down some stairs in them and fell over and grazed my knee, and in the American, what was it, the New York subway, and I got scars on my leg from where I fell over. But yeah, I think that's taught me my lesson about jumping downstairs wearing platforms that are way too high. Anyway, yeah, so these are absolutely gorgeous. But I wish I had straps on them. So the next pair of shoes. These absolute heckin' beautiful shoes are, I don't even have words, I'm just gonna show you them. Aren't they just the most beautiful things you've ever seen in your life? I've never had DMs, so like these are the nearest thing that I'm gonna get to DMs, and they're just like the big chunky rubber sole. They're really comfortable inside. I've only worn them out once, so they are rubbing a little bit as I get used to them, as they soften, because they are quite like hard. These straps here are the ones that would have been on this pair of shoes. That's what I originally ordered, but as you can see there's no straps, so yeah, it's not quite the same. But it doesn't matter because I've got these and these do have straps on them. I mean, these even without the straps would be heckin' cute. I mean, I can't take the straps off anyway, but I want to. But yeah, either way, they're both amazing. But yeah, no, I love them, and I can't wait to show you the outfits that I put together for each pair of shoe individually. So let's get on to the lookbook. Anyway, that was the lookbook and also the kind of review slash haul. I don't really know what this video was. It was just me showing you the shoes that I bought. So all my links are down below if you want to take a look. I'll also just put a link to the YRU website, but then we all know who YRU are and we know how easy they are to access. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this and speak to you later. Bye.